So
Nice.
this is what I achieved so far. I take the horizontal line and make sure this horizontal line falls in the middle. The total length of this horizontal line is 12 inch, and the distance of the horizontal line from the bottom line is half an inch. The next stage is to create one vertical line 12 inch at one end. So again, I click on a line. I click on one end point. I drag it up, make sure to keep that scroll, turn it around. On the other end, snap to become vertical.
It's 0.5 from here to here.
And the dimension.
Spread out.
The other vertical line on the other side, again, I click on the line. I click on the other end. I make sure it's vertical, but the location of the point is not important. I click anywhere else. So now I want to make a relation to make this line to have equal length to this line. The way I do it, this is like a shortcut, faster way. I click on one line, I keep the control key down, I click on the second line, and I add the relation equal length.
Do we do that?
Equal.
Yeah.
And simply I click on the check mark.
So you put two lines up, right?
Yeah.
How big is this line on the right?
12 inches.
And then you add a relation, right?
Yeah.
How do you find a relationship?
So this one. What do you make them? Parallel? Equal?
Everyone's okay so far?
So we make them equal, right?
You want to go up?
The relation is equal?
Equal, yeah.
Okay.
The shortcut has it. Without the shortcut. Without the shortcut, the long cut is.
It's 12 inches.
go to display configuration,
Oh, so you just did bulk them? Oh no, you did add a relation.
expand it, and then you go to add relation. Add relation, then you click on the first line, click on the second line, and simply you click on equal length. But if you click entities, keep the control, click on the second entity automatically, it assumes you want to add a relation. So I created the two vertical lines, I created the horizontal lines. The first thing is just an arc at the top. Simply, I'm going to use a 3-point arc next to rectangle. There's an option for an arc expanded. And the last one is a 3-point arc.
3-point arc.
So I click on 3-point arc, click on one end, click on the other end of the vertical line. See when I extract, it snaps to what? 280 degrees of the arc. I click
You did 3 points?
and press eject.
Okay, so it's gonna be this one. 3-point arc. And then you expand it over here, or do you click up here?
Click the other end.
This one?
Yeah. Just
So any questions, any general questions before I?
So 180, right?
Yeah.
Let's do. Okay. How did he make it black though?
Like just X.
Yeah, hit escape.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, because all the dimensions are blocked.
Oh shit.
Yeah, until you get
This is
the.
where you get the big box. That is.
Okay, I will come back and answer the question. What's your question?
It's fun. It's like a video game.
It's better than the video game.
I don't know about that one.
You rather be killing zombies?
I don't like zombies.
I love zombies. I love Me gustan pegarles a la gente.
Do you watch The Walking Dead?
No, but I used to play the Nazi zombies. And,
No, Call of Duty?
yeah. You never played that shit?
Yeah.
I used to love that shit.
You had an Xbox or a PlayStation?
Both.
Mm.
I like, me gustaba going backwards, bro. Like going backwards and shooting them. And then I would go like this to see, because if you hit a dead end, you're fucked.
Yeah, they did team up on you.
Yeah, just gang bang your ass. Go fast. No wonder they come out early.
We're gonna be here like till 10.
10. How these people.
Yeah, if it's blue, light, or dark, it means if it's, oh, I see. Are you still in a sketch mode or you out of the sketch mode? If you're in a sketch mode and you're still like blue, then it means that it's dark. Fine.
We'll get some water.
Oh, that's not
Hey, what's that on your screen?
Take it.
Timed out.
Like 10%.
Do they make like accessory batteries for those?
Huh?
Do they make accessory batteries for those?
What do you mean?
Like an add-on battery?
Like an external battery.
It takes like 9 hours to discharge. But it takes like
not when you're
it takes like
recording.
5 hours to charge it up full completely. But it lasts like 9 hours.
But not when you're recording, right?
Huh?
But not when you're
Yeah.
recording, really?
But I don't like to leave it like all overnight. I don't want to kill the battery. Like I think the battery messes up if you leave it overnight.
Yeah, it's like with lithium batteries.
Cause
They
not-
say you're not supposed to
It's not
discharge
smart
it.
enough to like stop the charge after it's fully charged.
Oh, you mean with charging it in?
Yeah.
And
Like,
plugging it in?
like the cell phones, they get messed up if you keep on charging them overnight, because it's not smart enough to like stop the charge. I think because I had a computer and it messed up like that. I would leave it on like every day. It was like on. It
The
was
battery?
fully- yeah, it was charged. My computer, my laptop, it was charged like day and night, day and
Yeah,
night.
that kills the
And the
battery.
battery got fucked up.
But there's a new battery that just stops charging when it's full. What is it called? It's they have those batteries that once it's full, it just stops charging even if it's connected. I forgot what they're called, but yeah, a lot of cell phones have it.
You gonna sell it?
I'll probably just do it again.
So the next thing I do, I extrude cut this door from the front by using the option extrude cut. So you go to extrude cut. Tilt your view to make sure it's the right direction going towards the inside. Rotate your view. And then you can, it's always good to do the minimum cut to save some memory. So I'm gonna, in the direction, I'm gonna go, instead of line, I'm gonna go up to next. Up to next is up to the next feature, which is like the back face. And then press OK. cut the door from the front. So I got this off the way.
So
Let's see what is left.
Up to next?
Yeah.
That's it?
So I created the main body, I followed the main body, I printed the door, I have to take care of the roof. The roof, this is the front view. All the dimensions are given. The bottom line has a dimension of 28, has an angle of 45 degrees, and the upper part has an offset of 1 inch from the bottom line of the front view of the roof. The roof has an offset of 6 inch from the front face and has an offset of another 6 inch from the back, so the total length of 48. So this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to create a plane offsetted 6 inch from the front plane. I'm going to use that plane as my sketch plane. I'm going to sketch the front of the roof, and I'm going to extrude that for a value of 48 inch. Now this is how I'm going to proceed. This is my side view of my doghouse. I'm going to create a plane that has a distance of 6 inch. This is going to be my new sketch plane. In my new sketch plane that I'm showing you now from the front view, this is my new sketch plane. Behind that is the doghouse that I just made out of it. The doghouse with the dog door at the front. That's what I have so far. So in this new plane, that has an offset of 6 inch using reference geometry, I'm going to create a construction line snapping in the middle and being vertical. So I make one construction line. I make another line being coincident, the first point of the line being coincident at the top corner, and the second point being coincident on the construction line. So it has a point coincident, and coincident here too. After I create this solid line, I'm going to give it an angle of 45 degrees. And then I'm going to convert this line to a construction line. The next thing I do, I'm going to create this lower line of the which is 28. This is how I do it. I'm going to select the line. The first point is going to be this point where the line is settled. The second point, I choose an arbitrary point outside. So that's my line. Then I'm going to add a relation between this line and this construction line to make it collinear. So this line will become collinear with this construction line. After it becomes collinear, I'm going to give it a dimension of 20 inch. So I exactly get this line